Right folks, I just thought I'd show you what I've done on these on the 090s, 070s. I've had a bit of a problem with the clutch. When they get hot they either slip or you can't pull the engine over, and what I've found is that some of the aftermarket sprockets, this isn't one, it's off a smaller saw, but same setup, this width here is too deep, and when it's on the pushed on over the bearing and you put your sensor washer on, if you've got one of these you'll know it pushes over there, it's not pushing onto the crankcase and it's pressing on here and locking the whole drum up solid. And also you need to do a bit of a config on your end washer. Put a washer at the back of it, otherwise it will touch the clutch and you get this happening. Now the clutch, I think, this is my opinion, you don't have to do it, you couldn't turn this because it wasn't going far enough back to tighten the nut up. This should press on the end of the crankshaft. There's a what do you call it, step, but this isn't going on far enough, so the washer can't see the step, so it's just pressing, it all just tightens up. Sometimes it's borderline, so I just put it in the lathe, and like I've had to do with some of the Chinese saws, just take, I don't know, 10-20 thou up here, so that you can get just a little bit of movement in here, and it should just spin freely. Otherwise you'll end up with deformed washers like I have here. Always best to, when you order them, order 10, because you can get 10s. The shipping on 10 is the same as 1, and the washers are only, I think they're 37 pence. Right, so there you are. There's my top gun. Oh. So there you go. You need a little bit of, otherwise the chain will just be solid, and as it heats up it gets worse because the expansion, I don't know which is moving and which is going which way, but it just goes solid, and it just slipped. It was either slipping or solid. So hopefully we're going to go out and we're going to test the one that has a bar on, and I've made a few adjustments to the one of the other places so that it'll start first time, which you know is quite important. It is here. Right, we'll go outside and have a look. Right, I'll give it a try. Put my gloves on, save my fingers when it snaps back. Try it once more. The art is just letting your finger off that button after you've got your string up to the top. No, that wasn't right. Right, that should be good for the weekend. We'll get on the big stuff. Right, put you some of our old stuff up that's from about 15 years ago when we were young. You might find it more appetising than the old fella. See what you think, but it's when I'm stuck in, I can't get out with the weather. So okay, over and out.